There's a light in every heartbeat, a spark in every soul. Ooh. And when we come together, that's when the story grows. I've seen love in the smallest places, in strangers' eyes and warm embraces, in every hand that reaches out to lift another from their down. It's in the quiet, gentle things, the hope a simple moment brings.